For customers looking to get the maximum amount of features in a new smart TV without breaking the bank, the Hisense 65-inch R8 series is the best choice. This model uses Hisense's proprietary ULED technology to produce 4K resolution and over 1 billion colors, and the ultra-narrow bezel creates an edge-to-edge picture that looks great in any setting. The dual speakers work with Dolby Atmos technology to produce virtual surround sound audio without the need to set up extra speakers or subwoofers, perfect for homes, dorms, and apartments that are short on space. The Roku platform has preloaded apps like Netflix, Hulu, and Prime Video so you can watch your favorite shows and movies right out of the box. And with built-in Wi-Fi, you can download thousands of other apps to stream everything from classical music to the hottest summer blockbuster films. The TV comes packaged with a voice-enabled remote that has Google Assistant built in and works with Alexa for hands-free controls over your TV as well as for browsing media. If you're worried about kids watching anything they shouldn't, the integrated V-chip allows you to set up parental controls, blocking inappropriate shows and movies from being accessed when you aren't looking. About this item powered by exclusive technologies to amplify color, contrast, brightness, and smooth motion, Hisense R8F series OLED smart TVs combine incredible, ultra-bright 4K detail with the intuitively smart Roku TV to take your TV experience from great to incredible. Enjoy all the key moments in fast-paced sports, movies, and games with motion rate 240 image processing, minimizing picture lag to create a clear image without motion blur. Roku TV simplified home screen and streamlined remote provide easy to access your cable box or HD TV antenna, one-touch access to favorite channels and streaming services, and access to over 5,000 streaming channels and 500,000 movies and TV episodes. Control the TV with your iOS or Android device via the easy-to-use Roku TV remote app, or use your voice to power your TV on and off, change channels, search for shows, and more through an Alexa-enabled device, sold separately. The VESA measurements of this TV are 400 by 200 mm, for wall mounting purposes. Wall mounts sold separately. Screen resolution, 3840 by 2160p. Brightness level, up to 700 nits peak brightness. Hisense R8F series OLED smart TVs combine incredible, ultra-bright 4K detail with the intuitively smart Roku TV to take your TV experience from great to incredible. For more details and buying guide, please click on the link in the description below.